I don't think you can hear me during the if I die video. You will hear me, or you could hear me during the bonus unboxing video. If I die, the volume will
Let's do this!
Now I return my old weird progress. Let's just, well, I don't play this anymore, so I won't pick up anything, so let's just begin the video. Instead of I can't.
Let's go get him!
I forgot how to play this stupid game. Hello everyone. So today I ordered, this is day 1 of my unboxing video. So today, this is day 1, which means I'm unboxing this iPad case. Here's the image right here. So let's begin with the video now. Yeah, like and subscribe first. Oh, I'm excited. Where's my scissors? Since I can't find my scissors, I'll just rip it. Okay, here it is. Not being cringe. The last time I unboxed this was like before. I'll place this to the side.
Actually, right now.
So this is the one I purchased. This costs like almost 300 pesos. I'll just open this thing. Your iPad 9.7. Yep, got the right model. Let's investigate. So camera, everything seems to be the same. Here it is. This is not the iPad, it's just a phone. I guess we're ready. Don't mind the noise. Alright, I'm just gonna set this thing up on my iPad, so I'll just remove this case and test it out. Okay, this is a new case. This is my old case. I had to purchase a new one because this thing was broken and I broke some parts of it. I tried repairing it myself. I can't. So this is the first one right here. I think it's mirrored. So yeah, let's see. First off, it fits in. Looks good. Nothing bothers me. I guess that's all. So I guess that's it for day 1. So thank you guys for watching for my day 1 unboxing. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in day 2. Bye. Oh yeah, shout out to Michael Cabram Mariano for delivering me my case. Luckily it got early instead of like a few days later. So yeah, I'm happy now. Luckily I picked the 4.8 stars because the other one that I was gonna buy that cost 283 pesos. Well, there were problems. Luckily I got the right one, which has the 4.8 stars.